Hey, Steve Robinson here, back from InterConnect, and we're down on the expo floor at our Cloud Confidence Center. This is kind of where we have the new Bluemix Garage and then all of our activities at CTE all together in one spot. And joining me today is Rachel Reinitz. Rachel's our CTO of the garage and kind of the founders of both our garage method and a lot of the activities we have going in the booth. So Rachel, welcome to InterConnect.
Yeah, this is so exciting. Another great booth. Our designers worked really hard to look at what kind of experience did we want to give our visitors here, our clients.
Well, this is stunning. Center of activity, a lot of buzz. You even had some special guests yesterday, right?
Yeah, yes, we had Ginny and Mark Benioff. We're broadcasting live on Bloomberg TV from the booth right here.
I'm waiting for the Hollywood actors to come down next. Now, last year we kind of we highlighted the garage method. That was brand new. And this year we've kind of reconfigured the space, and you're highlighting a couple new areas, right?
That's right, and we'll take a look at some of that. Okay. The starting point is a journey.
Yeah, what a stringboard, right?
That's right. So we take the string and we start out with the role. Maybe you can play a role. Do you want to be a developer, architect, operations, or business today?
Personas, these are guys we deal with typically in any cloud type of engagement, and then their path takes them to where?
And then we say, where are you in your journey? All the way from getting started to being fearless, or getting collaborative, so maybe improving what you're doing.
So a little bit of a maturity model, maturity scale here that we look for.
Yeah. And then we're looking at what do you want to do with cloud, from new applications to extending your current infrastructure to managing to automating and business processes.
So this gets a little bit into our pattern work that we've been focusing on to start to highlight what we see early cloud adoption being and kind of what we see coming up more and more from accounts.
And the fact that we have a lot of different expertise that we bring. It's not one size fits all for cloud adoption, but it is a set of patterns, to your point. So, and over here then, a little more specific, what do you want to learn about? Lots of interest in Watson and blockchain, of course, but also APIs, DevOps, mobile, infrastructure, so that gives us more specificity. And
so it's interesting to know that technology is 3 steps down the chain. Instead of with our old lab services, we've always done technology first. So it shows kind of the new model that we're doing.
That's a great point. And then we bring in the cultural side too to have a little bit of fun here.
Well, you've already got super intelligence, so what's your next skill you're going for?
InterConnect endurance.
There you go. If you can survive a week here, you can do anything.
What we then do is we have our confidence passports.
There we go.
And we write down a little bit about what we learned, and we give them some check boxes for the different areas that they can now get their expertise from, and they're going to gain confidence and put some stickers. Fantastic. So I thought we'd visit one of them today.
We got enough time for maybe one stop, maybe solution architecture.
Excuse me for just a sec.
Hello.
Here's James working away.
There we go. You're on camera now. All right. Hardest working folks at InterConnect here, right? You got my vote.
You guys have been really busy, I know. So here, Steve, we're showing our solution architectures.
Yep.
As you know, we have merged our architecture center with our Cloud Garage method.
And we just launched this right before InterConnect,
That's right?
So it's a brand new site for us to kind of pull everything together.
That's right, prescriptive guidance, and we apply it all within that. And then we have our architecture center. One of my personal favorites is microservices, which Rick did a lot of work on. You guys spent some time on it, So, I mean, cognitive's good too, don't get me wrong.
So we've been doing these patterns to really start to get a singular point of view, a singular reference architecture, have it fit within the pattern space, and we're really filling this out with detail, right?
That's right.
This is just more than cake diagrams and cake architectures. There's actually real design. We've tested these. We have them up and running. We could even give you the sample code, right?
There's the running code. Let's take a look. There's running code there in GitHub for our clients to use. They're using it as their starting points. We also address those important illities, security, high availability, resiliency, all those kinds of things. So it's not just a toy application. It is a true starting point, also DevOps tool chain. So it's so exciting to have now all brought the prescriptive guidance together. And we have a new cloud adoption and transformation framework that we're launching into the site.
Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. And you guys have been busy, right?
It's been the busiest I've been at the Penn and Expo Center in a while. So it's
120 at least yesterday.
Yeah.
That you had, and even stacking them up a bit more today as well.
I think we've got 80 all day today. We've got plenty of time left, so it's been pretty busy.
And we have
the IBMers away.
That's right.
And we have our Bluemix Garage.
Otherwise, it won't work at all.
As always.
We got our services over here.
We have our services and
And
support's
we've got
been
support
easy too. You know, people answering the questions when they're advanced in their cloud adoption. Now they may have some help.
Right.
Need some answers.
Well, beautiful space and beautiful work, and it's really great to see all the pieces coming together here. So we've got one box checked off on the passport. I'm going to let you go, and we're going to go visit the rest of the pods as well. So thanks again from InterConnect, Steve Robinson, Rachel Reinitz.